Hello, I'm Susan, as you know, for King Cole, and this is Joanne, my colleague, and we're going to talk about
Bramble DK.
Yes,
Today's offering. It's our lovely new stripy yarn. It's 100% premium acrylic. You get 320 yards or 290 metres, so it's really good yardage on this.
Good value for money.
It is, yeah. 4mm needles, and the tension is 22 stitches to 28
Standard
rows,
DK.
so it's standard. 40-degree wool wash, and we're recommending flat dry on this one, but it's one of those, it'll dry so quickly, I don't think you'll find that that's a problem. So we have 6 shades in it.
And they're lovely shades too.
They're all really, really nice.
Yeah, this is just flying off the shelves.
It is flying off the shelves. Mixed berries is the first one. So as you can see, it's all sort of reds and pinks and browns.
Cranberries and a bit of brown.
Yeah, and I love the fact on this, the ball band on this just is perfect because it's like raspberries and things on the back. So it's the autumn fruits that are on the back of that one. And so that worked really well.
Well done, marketing.
Yeah, yeah, well done, guys. This one is all your soft sort of turquoisey greys, and it's called Gauze. This one, soft and subtle. Another one that's probably great with your jeans and stuff like that. We do like our blues for going with jeans.
Yeah, in case you guys never picked up on that yet.
Picked up that we like blue. Yeah, we like blue. This one is Haze, and I absolutely love this one. It doesn't show up quite as well in the ball, but there's yellows, pinks, sort of grey blues, a hint of green in there. And I'll show you a garment in this in a bit, which I hope you love. I do. I think it's fab.
Yeah, we definitely have our preferences, don't we?
We do. This one is Golden Berry. Susan's wearing a scarf in that at the moment. So as you can probably see, it's yellows, touch of green, a little bit of grey, blue, brown, all in there.
I like the yellow in that. Normally, I would never think about yellows in something, but I just think that just goes so well.
Yeah, it does.
My personal favourite.
Raspberry. This one's raspberries. It's got the blues in, there's a bit of purple, there's some red, there's a tiny bit of sort of orange.
Like a nice rusty kind of terracotta colour.
It is. It really, really lovely colours. I think that will flatter an awful lot of people. There's always one in every range that I think really works for a lot of people.
Everybody can wear it.
Now this one is my other favourite. I have 2. One is this bottom one here. This one, because this, although it technically doesn't have all the colours in, this one's called Loganberry, and it's like a rainbow when you knit this up, and it looks so fantastic, particularly on children's garments. But all these colours, so you've got your orange, your yellow, your green, your blue, purple, pink, it's just all there. And I just love it.
It is it's gorgeous. It looks even better knitted up, but you'll see in a minute. Yeah. So I actually think, should we move on to that since?
We shall. I'm just going to move them over there because I need a bit more space for... Do you want to?
Yes, because you have the rainbow. So it's 5645, and it's a children's garment, right? Well, so little girls like jumper.
Yes. Now
it's like a T-shape, isn't it?
Absolutely love it. And it is knit as a T-shape. So you knit up, and then you
increase your stitches on either side for the arms.
And so you're knitting a T, and you knit a back and a front, slight difference around the neck, obviously, and then you sew them together. And I just think that's fabulous. We've got this one styled on a little girl, but actually it works for boys as well. Obviously, pick it to match, what the child prefers. So I just think that's amazing.
On the back as well, so definitely for boys as well. Yeah.
On these ones, this design is so simple, but I think the designer has done an amazing job on picking what to do with that particular yarn.
Excellent. Yeah.
I was struggling a bit with what they were going to design in this to show it off properly, and I just think they've done a fab job.
I would agree.
So the one on the back, just briefly, is the hooded version.
Putting things down too soon.
It's exactly the same, but you've got a hood option.
Yeah.
So again, that's very useful. Lots of kids love hoods.
We get lots and lots of requests for patterns with hoods.
We do, because hats can get lost, can't they? Whereas a hood, they can't lose it.
Yes.
If it's on them.
Yep, definitely. Next one, my personal favourite. I love the accessories for this for little girls. So you can see it here. Well, I know we're hiding it now, but
5646.
Yeah.
So I just
I'm wearing
slide that side with.
the scarf.
Susan's wearing the scarf on the back, so they are shown on children. These are a little bit big. Smaller. 4 to 12 years, these. So there's some tiny mitts, there's a hat, and the scarf, and I think that looks lovely.
It is. That's why I was saying about how the yellow really works well with it.
Yeah, it does.
Yes.
And then the one we've got here is the one on the front, just to give you a bit more of an idea. Pom-poms are optional. Pom-poms, yep. I think they're quite fun, but not everybody wants pom-poms. So, yeah, I think they're lovely.
I think it's a lovely thing. And okay, yep.
Right, next one.
Is it one of your favourites?
Another one, yes.
Yep, 5649. I'll show this side first. Which one are you going to show?
I'll go with the shorter one. So the shorter one has been done in this lovely rainbow yarn again. And just,
again, the colours.
Just love how the colours work, the stripes work. It's an edge-to-edge.
Yep.
Not particularly a tricky knit, really, is it?
No, I wouldn't say it's tricky. I wouldn't say it's like an easy,
not total
easy
beginner,
knit.
but not if you're just moving on a little bit, because again, this is another one where you decrease. You knit all this at once, but you decrease as you're going on here, and that can throw people a bit. So you have to be prepared for that when you're going to knit it. But if you're an experienced knitter, I don't think you'll have any problems at all.
It's so beautiful, the colourways.
I love the way the colours run, and again, you do have a lot of stitches at certain points, so do be aware that you might need a circular needle
and straight needles. Yes, I was going to say there's no way you get that
all them on a straight needle. No, there's definite points where, depending on sizes and everything, you need more. And then there is a long version.
Yep.
So it's exactly the same principle. It's all knit from the bottom up, but you get this extra long one, so it changes the width of your stripes, which I like. The way it's quite like subtle,
that colour. That's really nice.
So very wearable, great over your sort of winter outfits when you just need that bit extra warmth with those. So I think that's really, really beautiful.
Like how it's been lately. Okay.
It is. What would you like to move on to?
Children's garments still, because I have all the little girls today, you know.
Yeah.
I love this cardigan. Which pattern number?
This one is pattern 5644.
Yeah, and I love this one with like how it's knitted. I think it's knitted side to side as well.
It is.
It is.
That one's lovely. Side to side. The grown-up one is top to bottom. Bottom to top.
Yeah, and you can see like they've done it again, like to showcase the stripes.
You start
really
here
well
at the sleeve and then work across.
And work your way across
with it.
Yeah,
and it's just beautiful. And that I just love that colourway. I think it's
that's
so
the one we're
pretty.
talking about.
But for grown-ups as well, not just children.
Yeah.
I think it would work, but you don't quite see it in the ball, so definitely take a look at the patterns if you get the chance.
Definitely. And I think on the back I also have like...
the hooded version.
The hooded version, yes. So we have... I love the buttons too. So, yes.
These are all in our new button range. So
yes,
so they are definitely available.
So yeah, again, knitted across. It's a nice way of showcasing yarn with the hood option, which most little girls like anyway.
Yeah.
You know, nice and cozy.
One of the things I like with these type of yarns is you don't have to be the most accomplished knitter to make it look really special.
Yes.
Because the yarns really help you on that. And a lot of people are busy as well. You don't want to come home and have to think about anything too intricate. It's nice to have a fairly easy knit to do. Not totally boring knit, but an easy-ish knit.
Yes.
And that they sort of tick all the boxes, really.
Yeah. So, I forgot to mention. We are social distance and we forget.
Yeah, we can't.
But we are. We're looking after ourselves.
We're looking at one another. But right.
Okay, Nas.
Final one.
Yes. Pattern 5648. And it's like a garter stitch jumper, isn't it?
Yes.
But it's knitted side to side.
Yeah. This one is definitely side to side.
Yeah.
And I'll show you the back because that really beautifully showcases.
Beautiful, isn't it? It's lovely yarn.
How that works. And again, not every yarn works in garter stitch, but this one really, really does. I think the extra texture that it gives works brilliantly.
And I like the slit sleeve at the bottom, the slit bottom.
Yes. Yep. Splits
little
at the bottom.
Details.
Yeah, there's these little bits that are just... you can, of course, sew them all the way down if you don't want the splits, but we like the splits on that one.
And it's an easy knit too.
Yes.
It really is.
And I just want to, because I love it so much, I want to show you the
other one.
The other version that we did.
It's beautiful, this one. This when I first saw it, I thought, that's really flattering. I think that would suit a lot of people.
And this one's got folded back sleeves.
I like the sleeves folded back, actually, because, like, I have long arms, and most sleeves never seem to go quite to the end for me.
Yeah, yeah. So again, just show you the back to give you the beautiful effect on that one. But yeah, really, really love that one.
Yeah,
so,
I do too.
Yes, and are we on to... We're nearly there, aren't we? We're on the last one.
Yeah, we're on the last one with the unusual roll neck top. I like that. It's a really unusual roll neck.
This one's 5647.
Yes.
This one.
And I love this little detail. I think that's really a nice feature about it. It's like, I think it's a fairly straightforward knit, but it's just like that neckline is really quite unusual, and I like that.
Yes.
And it really pops with the yellow again. And also the cuffs are quite unique, keeping the theme. I think that one's quite unusual, and I like it for that.
Yes.
Something a little bit different from the norm.
There is. Yeah. And then the other
I'll get
one
that as well. And this one's just what I call a standard one, but I love the colour.
Yes.
Oh, look at
this
that.
one
So
it's
rich and deep.
it's virtually the same jumper, but we've put different sleeve and neck detailing on it because not everybody wants
something a little bit unusual.
Not everybody can wear the roll neck ones, so
you
have to sort of watch that. But I do think the colours and everything show really, really well on these simpler knits.
Yes,
for these ones. So I think that's everything.
That's everything then. So remember to subscribe and like our video, and thank you for watching.
Yes.
Okay,
see you in the next one. Bye.